I went shopping the day before yesterday, my first day in Paris, and I bought something from the Comptoir des Cotonniers. Ooh, what could it be? Let's show you. So this is the jeans I bought. A little bit lighter than my usual ones, but it's really soft. I really like them. You can wear them long, or I can do a couple of turns like that on the hemline. In France, they wear them with the sneakers, with ankle boots, either Chelsea boots or Western boots. They wear them with loafers and derbies as well. So this is the style. And I'll try them on for you once I get home. That's the style. They're really nice. The back, let's have a look at the back. Two simple pockets like this. They taper a little bit, but just a little bit. But they're not skinnies and they're not wide legs. I hope you like them. From the Comptoir des Cotonniers in Paris. My outfit of the day, third day in Paris. Animal print scarf, camel sweater, black trousers, black loafers, lace socks, and my trench coat. Oh, the La Durée. If you don't know La Durée, you need to know La Durée in Paris. They make beautiful macaroons. They are world renowned. La Durée. And also in Emily in Paris, you will notice that La Durée is featured, and sometimes even as a restaurant in Emily in Paris. Please see my video on Emily in Paris and look inside the La Durée. They make beautiful cakes and of course their macaroons. Which ones to choose? Beautiful flavors. I'm having a croissant and a beautiful coffee macaroon. A macaron au café and a hot chocolate. The hot chocolate in La Durée is very thick. It's more like melted chocolate. So I don't think I'll be able to finish it. Very, very rich. Very rich. But the pastries have all gone. Balmain! What a beautiful branded view. Absolutely exquisite things. Look and see the Lavalière and the handbags. Look at this black and white. Absolute classic and elegant ensemble. Balmain, Paris. Oh, and Fendi. Look at Fendi. Oh, look at those knits. So knits are very big this season. And the chunky knits. Look at this. Ooh. Those bags are absolute classic. You could have them for years. Oh, Chanel. Chanel around the corner. My husband calls them the mothership, of course. And yes, you can see that people are cycling through Paris. So here is this little cycling outfit for you. White trainers, light grey trousers, and a nice dark grey top. Oh, there she goes. Rue Saint-Honoré, which makes the corner with the Rue Cambon. Chanel store here. Oh, the iconic numéro 5. Look at the beautiful jacket, blouses. The finish is absolutely impeccable. And the buttons, oh, feathers. Yeah, it's trendy. Lovely trousers. Not too sure about those boots. Very Pirates of the Caribbean. Oh yes, those jacket. The scalloped hem. I like as well those buttons. Yeah, scalloped hemline. But those boots, no, please let me know what you think. But two Pirates of the Caribbean for me. Oh, look at the detailing. The detailing that French women love. I just come out of the Chanel store and bought myself something. Look at this beautiful little bag. What did I buy? Having lunch in Restaurant Flotte today. Day 3 in Paris. Lovely atmosphere. Having this fabulous lunch in Flotte, beautiful
risotto with vegetables, beans and peas. Beautiful, absolutely delicious. Macaroon galore today. I went to La Durée, bought some macaroons here, and also went to Pierre Hermé for some more macaroons. Oh, look at this. I stopped by Chanel this morning, which is just about 20-30 yards away from my hotel in Rue Cambon. And I had a look at the handbags and at shoes, and I went also in the makeup department. So I will show you what I bought. So the lady was really nice. Look at this. So I bought 2 items, and she's putting a lot of samples here. There's quite a lot here. So let's see first what I bought, and we'll show you the samples after. So the first one I bought is the Stylo Yeux waterproof. So it's a long-lasting eyeliner. So it's a black one, and there you are. And so it's a really nice one. You can do it. You can just use it, you know, just for a simple line, or you can also, you know, make it almost like use it as a shadow. And here at the other end of the eyeliner, you have the taille crayon, not the sharpener. So you can sharpen on the other side. So it's really, really helpful, that's really handy. I also tried on some colognes. I wanted something light. And then I've got 2 samples here on my noses, on my wrists. But I did not really like how they developed on me. I like to see something develop, and not buy something straight away, because you know how it develops differently on your skin. So I bought here a concealer. This one is a long wear concealer, 20 in beige. I tried it on in Chanel. Now, because of the virus, the COVID-19, they can't actually, you know, the lady can't put it on you, but she coaches you, and you kind of do it yourself in front of the mirror with her, you know, alongside her, and she explains to you how to do it. I really like this one. I did not know this one. I've never bought that one before. I've had a number of products, you know, from the makeup range, of course, over the years, but never this one. This is really nice. This is probably the best concealer I have tried or used. I'm really happy with it. I bought some. This is about a couple of hours ago, even more than that. It lasted really well. I like that. And now I'm going to also show you the samples they gave me. She gave me lots of samples. So this one, Eau Tendre, Eau de Toilette, Vaporisateur Spray. It's a sample. She gave me another sample here of Paris Deauville. This was the one that she... It smells nice. It's a bit of vanilla. Paris Deauville. Yeah. Another one, Paris Biarritz. This one I did not try on. Paris Biarritz. It's an eau de toilette again in spray. Another one, Paris Venise. Paris Venise. Paris and Venice, my 2 favorite cities in the whole wide world. The Volume Stress de Chanel. This is a mascara volume longueur brosse imprimée 3D, which is a volume and length mascara 3D printed brush in black. So I I will open it in front of you to show you the sample inside. Ah! Oh! There's a lot of mascara on this brush. So we'll have to be very careful when I use it. Woo. And 3 more, and that's it afterwards. 3 more here. Gosh, give me some samples this time. Le Lift Crème de Nuit. Lisse, raffermi, smoothing and firming night cream. Concentré botanique d'alfalfa botanical alfalfa concentrate. Crème de nuit. Crème yeux, lisse, raffermi, smooth and firms. This one's an eye cream. The Lift, or Le Lift, and Le Lift Fermeté Anti-Ride. It's a firming anti-wrinkle. Oh, what's she giving anti-wrinkle for? Have I got wrinkles? Not at all. I'm 57. Don't have wrinkles, me. She was lovely, such a lovely lady. You know, I've been around Paris and I've been, you know, I've gone for lunch, I've gone for dinner, I've gone to some shops. And the people there serving you are just really, really nice, helpful, smiling. They welcome you to the shop. Really, really, really nice. So this is the anti-wrinkle serum. So oh, there's not much in there. Smells divine. So they're nice, nice size, 5 ml. You know, Chic Chanel Chanel things, but you know, Chanel products, but they are very good quality. And I've got all these samples. So the samples I like. You know, if you need to keep them, if you're going on holiday, you know, don't leave them for years, obviously, but you can keep them for when you go away because they don't take much space and they don't weigh much. This is really handy. The same as this, you know, instead of bringing a big bottle of perfume, you know, you keep the samples and you know, and that's it. So Chanel, I really love the little bag with the flower here. The camellia. Really nice. Chanel 31 Rue Cambon. So it's in my street. In my street. Because I'm staying in a hotel here in Rue Cambon. In 8 Rue Cambon, which is Hotel Melia. And Chanel is literally there. And Chanel is not just on one side. It makes almost like the end of the street. It's a whole, almost a big part of the block. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know what you think of what I bought here. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Au revoir.